this generator. I don't know why I just started doing this. I put in this new battery. I used to do it a little bit before, and now it just seems like it's starving for energy. And the little automatic choking governor, I'm going to try to get a picture. I pulled the air filter off and squirted some carb cleaner in there, put some high octane gas, drain the gas tank. Still just struggling. When I don't know if you'll be able to see the governor. Idle, and I'm not really sure why the hell it's doing that. There's no load on it. So any suggestions, or anybody got, somebody said the governor might be bad, somebody said the carburetor looks like it's clogged, maybe rebuild the carburetor with jet. I'm getting all kinds of things from different people. I figured if somebody's out there got one of these and had this issue. Put your suggestions in the comments, so in case someone else is having this problem, they can read the comments. Alright, we're going to